If you're looking for low-cost options, then I've got you covered. Starting a YouTube channel can be so overwhelming, especially if you're on a budget. Let me help you get started with your YouTube journey today. Let's go. Number one, you can either start recording on your phone, or you can use your webcam or things that you already have. You don't have to go out and get all of the fancy equipment and all of those things. Most smartphones these days have good video capabilities. Number two, free editing software. I personally know that DaVinci Resolve is free. There is a paid version, and then I do know that there is CapCut, and that is normally a phone recorder, or it's what I have used to record vertical videos, but I do have it on my computer as well. However, I have not attempted to do long form content with CapCut, but I do know it is a free option, especially for vertical videos like reels and shorts. Number three, lighting. Natural lighting is free and can work for all videos. Position yourself near a window, similar to what I am doing. My window is on the left of me, but I do have a little lamp right off camera to shine on this side of my face, so it is not completely different. Music and sound effects. You want to be sure you're using royalty-free music and sound effects in your videos. You can get these out of the YouTube Studio, or there is a website called Freesound. However, I have not personally used that one. Always ensure that you have the right to use the music so you don't have a copyright strike on your channel. Affordable backdrops and props. Utilize what you have. It doesn't have to be fancy. This is my dining room. It's not fancy, it's not perfect, it's not exactly where I would like to be recording, but it's what I have to work with right now. Use curtains, you can use other fabrics, you could use a sheet from your bed if you wanted to. Or you could use a blank wall. It all depends on what you have available for you to use. Collaborations. You can collaborate with other YouTubers to share resources and potentially reach a wider audience. Now, in order to do this, you need to find somebody within your niche, however you want to pronounce it. And you also want to make sure that you guys are within the same number of subscribers, because you don't want, to have 50 subscribers and somebody with, 500 subscribers. Unless the person with 500 subscribers is getting something out of it, I don't see them collaborating. You want 50-50 on each. Consistency and patience. Building a YouTube channel and YouTube success takes time, a lot of it. Be consistent in your uploads and be patient with your channel growing. It does take time to get subscribers and watch time hours. So you have to be patient with it. Learn from others. Watch YouTube tutorials. Watch tips from other YouTubers. I know TubeBuddy and vidIQ give out a lot of tips and tricks and all of those things in order to help your channel grow. But none of these cost any money. None of them cost money. You can get started for free. You can get started by recording your phone near a window with a pretty background that I currently don't have. Learn from your experiences. You're not going to be perfect editing videos right out of the gate. You're going to be nervous as hell recording your first video. I recorded my first video 3 times before I felt comfortable doing it. And there's several that I've had to start over on. It's okay. Take your time. Remember, it's more about the value of the content that you provide your audience. As your channel grows, you can upgrade your equipment. If you found this video helpful at all, please hit like, subscribe, and share with somebody that you think would be interested in it. Until next time, bye.